So if you want to add a different header on different pages here on your Wix website, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. So first things first, headers here and also footers for websites built on Wix actually is quite consistent on different pages. Like if you edit the header or footer on one page, that would also reflect that on other pages as well. But how do you make it, like how do you customize it so that that specific page is going to be really special? What do you need to do? Well, what you need to do here is you first need to hide the header or the footer. Now, usually just hiding the header here or the footer basically just hides it from view. So it's not necessarily deleting it, it's more of hiding it. Now, if you do try or if you do hide that in that specific page, it will basically stay the same if you try editing it, or if you try like adding a different one, or if you want to use it, or if you want to retain the design, well, it's going to be unchanged as long as you only hide it. So at the right side, you want to go and click on the three dotted option here, or the three dotted button. So by the way, this only appears if you go to the right side of your header, click on more actions, and you want to go and choose the option here that says hide header and footer. It should open up your page settings here, and what you need to do is you want to go and choose the no header and footer option, and that should basically hide your header and footer for this page here. Now, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and start adding our new header. So you could go and click on add section here. Now you could go and just resize this as much as you can. Can even change the background color if you want to, quick edit if you want. But the most important one is going to be the add element section. So go and click on it. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option that says menu and anchor so that you could add the same menu that you already have. Like for example, we want to use this design here. You can go and drag and drop it into your website as you can see right now. You change the sizing, do whatever design that you want, and all of the things that you want to do in here. So make sure to just click on save or publish at the top right here so that your changes will be saved. So go ahead and click on save and continue, and that's pretty much what you need to do here. So just to give some idea here, if you go to the left side, if you go to pages and menu here and try accessing a different page of your website here. So this is what the header looks like in mine. So if you want to go ahead and go to, let's just say the contact page here, you'll notice that the different pages that you didn't hide the header on would retain the same design for the header. As you can see right now, it's still visible in here. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.